Hi everyone, are you looking to create an amazing interactive experience for Christmas? If so, you're on the right YouTube video because today I'm going to talk to you about what is an online advent calendar. So by definition, an online advent calendar is really like a physical calendar. The only difference is that it's online on your website. So your customer will come back on your website every day to unlock new doors and surprises. What can you put behind the doors? It really depends on your preferences, but you could have different small marketing games like a claw machine game or a puzzle. Or you could even go really simple and just have different deals and discounts for your customers to help them with their Christmas shopping. There are a lot of really nice benefits of having an online advent calendar on your website. First of all, it's amazing to create awareness. I don't know if it's because it brings back childhood memories or it gives the Christmas spirits to your audience or because they're just happy to find deals and discounts, but it's a really amazing interactive experience if you want to reach a broader audience. It's also really good to increase awareness. As I already said, your customer will come back on your website every day to unlock the door. They will play your marketing game or see your deals and discount. So they get to really interact with your website, and it also increases your returning visitors rate. It's really good for increasing your brand image. Why? Because an online advent calendar is a very magical experience, and your user will be very glad that you kind of give them this enchanting experience. So it will play on your brand image, and also it will help your relationship with them. Fourth, it's really good to boost your Christmas sales. Why? Because of course Christmas is the busiest time of the year. Everyone is looking to buy a gift. So if you give them an experience like that where they go on your website every day, they will have the opportunity to see your product at the same time, your best product of course, and then they will want to buy them because they will see them every single day, and at some point they will be like, okay, I need to buy it now. And then they will put the products in the basket and buy them. And finally, it's very good to grow your email list. Why? Because of course you want to gate this interactive experience with a lead form, and then you can use this email list later on to send remarketing emails to these customers. So that was this for this interactive experience. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about what is an online advent calendar, please scroll down to the comment section and find our blog post about it. And if you want to learn more about any other type of interactive experiences, please subscribe to our channel.